Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss about hard disk replacement or removing hard disk. How to remove the hard disk. So first of all, you have to check you have to remove the keyboard first. That you need to like this something tool, or you can type one knife or something like that. If it is knife or this kind of eject tool, you can use. So let's see. There is some locks in the keyboard edges. So you just pull it and up. This way you can remove the keyboard. Then pull it up and very carefully remove the lock. Then there is a pin lock and remove. Now you just close this portion. Just close the portion and turn around. You have to remove first the battery. I just already removed the battery and open here. Two screws only there. Then there is a two screws here. This is a removable screw. That one is the previous one that is not removable from the packing panel. Now you just remove from there is a small cover type. Pull it up, then pull it frontward. This is the way how you can remove the hard disk. Okay, so this is a small video. Subscribe and bell button please. We'll come back with the new video.